In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a CrewAI agent to external tools and cloud platforms. To get started, open your main execution script and make sure you import the tools you plan to use. This could include generic API request clients, webhook utilities, or any integration helper your workflow depends on. The reason this matters is simple. Your agent can only interact with external systems if those tools are available inside the script where the workflow actually runs. Keeping these imports in the main execution file also makes your setup easier to review and troubleshoot later. Next, move to your environment configuration and add your external access credentials to your .env profile. This is where you place secure values such as a personal access token for a cloud database service or a webhook destination used by an automation platform. The key idea here is to avoid hard-coding sensitive credentials directly into your script. Using environment variables helps keep your project cleaner, safer, and easier to manage across different machines or deployments. Be sure your variable names are clear and consistent, because you'll need to reference them accurately in the next stage. Once your credentials are available through the environment, assign the target integration tools directly to the parameters of the CrewAI agent that will use them. In practice, this means connecting the agent to the exact tool objects or request handlers that allow it to send updates, trigger automations, or retrieve information from the external platform. This step is important because it defines what the agent is actually capable of doing. If a tool is not attached to the agent, the workflow may run, but the agent won't be able to perform the external actions you expect. As you configure this, it's a good idea to double check that each tool is mapped to the right agent and that the environment values are loading correctly. Small mistakes here, like a